Okay, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I know it has been months since we posted a video. I think we have not posted a video since April. However, this video that you're about to witness is from May, so you're going to be right on track with everything that's been going on with our life as long as you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. I have all the footage from the last few months, and I'm going to be posting it. So here's the first one. Thank you. Enjoy. We're going to see you later. Bye. All right, hey guys, so we are here. Everybody say hi.
Hi.